And there you go, it's a good start. Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty, all of them are off to a good start. What is driving the Bank Nifty has to be HDFC Bank, I would imagine, because there is an MSCI impact also, which should be there on a stock like HDFC Bank. So there you go, HDFC Bank 1629. So we are off to a good start on HDFC Bank, off to a good start on ICICI Bank, off to a good start on Kotak. Now the newsmakers, and needless to say that when you say newsmakers or the action-packed stock, railways, defence, railway defence, shipyard. Kotak Mahindra Bank, now RVNL 6%. You got let's look at all the railway stocks. Ircon International up 10%. Let's look at IRFC up 9%. REITs up 2%. Now let's look at defence. Kochi Shipyard, Mazgaon Shipyard. Let's throw in even Garden Reach. All these stocks are up 1 to about 4%. And last but not the least, you've got the pure defence names. You've got BAL, BML, a whole host of defence stocks which in a sense have pole vaulted and they continue to chug along. So railways is the top theme, and that's where all the price action clearly seems to be chugging along very, very smartly. You can throw in power also, Aisha, but I guess it is an extension of what we saw last week.
Yeah, NTPC, Torrent Power. Remember that 4,000 megawatt gas-based power procurement tender, which is going to be floated, is going to benefit both of these. Of course, RBNL and Ircon, you can't take your eyes off from those names. The rail corridor, which is going to be set up between India, West Asia and Europe. PVR Inox as well. Let's check in on that. Extremely strong bumper collections for Jawan. It's opened another 4-screen multiplex as well in the state of Karnataka. So look out for that as well. And then Adani Ports too, which has, wherein the promoters have acquired an additional almost 2.25% stake from August 14th to September 8th. That's going to be the other stock in focus. Reliance, Nvidia has inked an agreement with the company and the Tata Group for advanced AI tech. So let's check in on those names as well. Reliance and Tata Elxsi will just come off you on your screens too. Also, Adani Enterprises, they've signed a JV with Singapore's Koa Holdings for ammonia and green hydrogen business, pretty much in continuation with the theme across G20. Not just that, IRB Infra, some very strong toll collections for the month of August. HDFC Bank, let's see what the impact of ICRR is on not just HDFC Bank, but some of these other private banking names as well. There's scams as well. They're expecting a very strong AUM growth, so look out for this stock too. Then, of course, Praj Industries and the entire sugar pocket, that's also looking very, very strong. The GBA, which was launched on the sidelines of the G20 summit, 6.5% of a move coming in on Praj. And the sugar names as well are looking mighty sweet. For the Nifty though, it's a lot more tempered a move, 19,890. I don't know where the weakness is coming in from. If we can just bring up the list of losers, because yes, a large concentrated pocket within the broader end of the market is looking strong, but you're not really seeing that translate onto the benchmark, so to speak. Just about touching that 19,900 print and trade. Actually, lots in the red. IndusInd Bank, LTI Mindtree, iShares, Infosys, Unilever, Titan, M&M as well, HDFC Life. So let's see which way we head from here. Kunal, a tempered reaction as opposed to what we were anticipating, or you think it's par for course?
I think it's a decent start. 75 points for the Nifty, 150 plus points for the Bank Nifty. Premiums for both the indices remaining at, I think, above the Friday's level, 45 points for the Nifty and I think 160-70 points for the Bank Nifty. Overall, looks quite okay. Large cap stocks, again, seeing a follow-through price action, so that's a good sign for the index. Now, in terms of opening trade, HDFC Bank is something which I highlighted a couple of days back. Would continue to be bullish on the stock and expecting the stock to at least head towards 1680 levels on the future. So, possibly an upside of another 40 to 50 rupees for HDFC Bank over the very near term.
All right, let's find out what's on Naresh's radar. Naresh, what is it that you're picking out for the day?
So looking at ONGC, the stock looks setting up for a breakout above 187 mark. So preempting with a buy here at current levels.